Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm here to show you how to insert video in PowerPoint. So it will be help you for making presentation. So I'm here in my PowerPoint and you can see the one slide here. So I'm here going to import videos. So how can we import? I will show you. First of all, go on home and you can see here insert tab here and go for insert, and then you can see at the corner you can see here video. You can add here audio also or video also, so you can add both. So here is online video and video on my PC, so which you like. If you want to upload online video from website, then you can directly go here, or if you have saved your video in desktop or PC, then you can directly get from there. So I am here in my PC. I'll go for this video on my PC, and then you can see here which I will select the video which I want to import. So I will click this one and you can see, and it takes some time and it is already imported. And I will play this and you can see you can see here the video which I have imported, and in this way you can import the video easily. So I hope this video helps you a lot. So if you are new, please subscribe to my channel to get more updates, and comment below how you like this video and share this video. Thank you so much.